Dodging the bullet. Understanding idioms in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, dodge a bullet. This idiom is widely used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really add to your language skills. So, let's get started. Dodge a bullet is an idiom that means to avoid a very bad situation. Imagine a bullet being fired at you and you move out of the way just in time. That's literally dodging a bullet. But in everyday speech, it's used metaphorically to refer to avoiding any kind of disaster, trouble, or undesirable outcome. This phrase likely comes from the literal action of avoiding being hit by a bullet. It's been used in English for quite some time, and its use has increased as it became popular in movies and literature. The dramatic image of someone physically dodging a bullet makes it a powerful metaphor for escaping danger. 1. Personal experience. I nearly missed the deadline for my project, but I managed to submit it just in time. I really dodged a bullet there. 2. Observing others. Jack almost invested in that company before it went bankrupt. He sure dodged a bullet. 3. Reflecting on past events. Looking back, I realized that not getting that job was actually a good thing. I dodged a bullet. Don't use it for minor inconveniences. It's best suited for serious situations. Remember, it's past tense. Saying, I dodge a bullet is incorrect. Instead, use, I dodged a bullet. Try to create your own sentences using, dodge a bullet. Think about a situation where you or someone else narrowly avoided a problem. Share your examples in the comments. And that wraps up our discussion on the idiom, dodge a bullet. I hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more comfortable using this phrase in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a great way to add flavor to your language skills. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.